Alright guys, so I'm on the Locket link right now, and yeah, I have yet to play Cats and Bats in a long time. And from what it looks like, the Major's actually really good, and the Grand's looking really good, so yeah, you never know. Looking for 6 of these and 3 of the, what are those? I don't even know those house mansions looking things. I'm gonna start on 5. Let's go with 5. No, we're going 10. Let's do it. We'll change it up. And yeah, let's go. Let's win, man. Two more. Okay. Alright, we're cashing that out. Alright, so this just popped up. Those are the rules if you guys want to learn the rules, and that's good for me. So those are wilds. And okay, very cool, and right on. All right, let's win. All right, so the mini popped up. All right. All right, we're cashing that out. Cool, we got some nice little line hits there, so that was $12. The hats all lined up right there. All right. Very cool. So yeah, we're looking for 3 of those. When you got, looks like a $34 hit. Very cool. So this denomination looks like it's working. Let's go. Come on. We need 6 of those, 3 of these. Let's go. Come on, guys. It's a $100 ball right there. Come on, dude. Alright. Collecting that. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, so I think yeah, let's collect that. $12. So we got all the kings lined up over there. Yeah, it's crazy how the line hits are there, but let's see how it goes. Come on, one more. I think 6 more. Let me see. Let me learn this real quick. Learn something new. All right, so wow for this, and yeah, any winning combination. What else? Okay. Come on. Come on. All right. Two more. Very good. Nice, dude. So yeah, we got a $50 hit right there. Alright, 20 bucks left in the tank. Come on. Collect. And looks like we got one more hit in here. Come on, something on the river. That's it. Alright, I'm out. Be real, guys. And all that.